Small changes consistently applied have the power to transform your life. Imagine a tiny seed growing into a mighty tree. It's the small daily actions that lead to extraordinary results. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start with one small habit, master it, and then move on to the next. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't reach the summit in a single leap. You take one step at a time, focusing on the present moment. Each step brings you closer to your goal. Embrace this process of gradual improvement and you'll be amazed by how far you can go. Remember, change takes time and effort. There will be challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. Every small step forward is a victory. Celebrate your progress, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward. You have the power to create the life you desire. It all begins with a single step. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's explore 7 simple habits that can help you unlock your full potential. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, try a more mindful approach. Put down the digital distractions and connect with yourself. Start your day with a few minutes of meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This simple practice can calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your focus throughout the day. If meditation isn't your thing, try reading a few pages of an inspiring book or listening to uplifting music. Choose activities that nourish your mind and soul. By starting your day mindfully, you'll set yourself up for a more productive, positive, and fulfilling day. Regular exercise is not just about physical health, it's a powerful tool for improving your mental and emotional well-being. When you move your body, your brain releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to reap the benefits of exercise. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or simply taking a brisk walk in nature. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Start small and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. The key is to find something you enjoy and make it a sustainable part of your routine. Exercise is an investment in your health and happiness. Make it a priority, and your body and mind will thank you. Reading is a gateway to new worlds, ideas, and perspectives. It's a powerful tool for personal growth, expanding your knowledge and improving your critical thinking skills. Make it a habit to read for at least 30 minutes each day. Choose books that interest you, whether it's fiction, non-fiction, biographies, or anything in between. If you find it difficult to sit down with a physical book, try listening to audiobooks during your commute or while doing chores. Reading exposes you to different perspectives, broadens your horizons, and helps you grow as a person. It's a gift you give yourself every time you open a book. Section 5. Hydration for a healthier you. Water is essential for life. It keeps our bodies functioning properly, helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients, and flushes out toxins. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for our physical and mental health. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and refill it regularly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. If you find plain water boring, try infusing it with fruits, vegetables, or herbs for a flavorful and healthy twist. You can also opt for herbal teas or sugar-free drinks. Proper hydration is a simple yet powerful way to improve your overall health and well-being. Section 6. Rest and recharge. Prioritizing sleep. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. When we sleep, our bodies and minds can rest and repair themselves. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your health and well-being. Section 7. Cultivating Gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform your perspective and enhance your overall happiness. When you focus on the good in your life, it shifts your attention away from negativity and cultivates a sense of contentment. Start a gratitude journal and take a few minutes each evening to write down things you're grateful for. It could be anything from the warmth of the sun on your skin to the love of family and friends. Reflecting on the positive aspects of your life can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Make gratitude a daily practice and experience the transformative power it holds. Section 8. Nature's Embrace. Spending time in nature has been proven to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance creativity. Disconnecting from the hustle and bustle of city life and immersing yourself in the tranquility of nature can work wonders for your mental and emotional well-being. Make it a habit to spend time outdoors every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Take a walk in the park, sit by the lake, or go for a hike in the woods. Breathe in the fresh air, listen to the sounds of nature, and feel the ground beneath your feet. Connecting with nature is a powerful way to recharge your batteries, find inner peace, and gain a fresh perspective on life. Section 9. Your 21-day journey to a better you. You have the power to transform your life, one small habit at a time. Start by incorporating these 7 simple habits into your daily routine for the next 21 days. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, change takes time and effort. There will be challenges and setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Start today and witness the incredible transformation that unfolds within you. The power to create a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life is within your reach.